Good morning. My name is Noura Salman, and I'm a licensed CPA who has created this course for you, Save Your Financial Ass, because I'm here to tell you what you don't know that you don't know about your business. For me to properly give this course to you, I think it's very important that you know who I am, my background, my experience, my skills, and why I'm the most qualified and best CPA to tell you what I'm going to share with you in this course. I've been licensed for 10 years since graduating from a top 20 business school, the University of Maryland. After graduating, I went right into the profession, got my license, and worked for a small boutique firm so that I could get my hands on everything. I worked as a bookkeeper and then became a staff accountant and then got really into individual and corporate tax returns. So having this background of micro level to macro level, I know the full spectrum. And unlike most CPAs, I am extroverted, I am outspoken, I'm engaging, I'm proactive. Unfortunately, the typical personality that's in this profession is extremely introverted and overwhelmed at a desk, lots of emails, lots of calls, a lot of interruptions, and I was one of them. It becomes incapacitating to take a phone call. Growing up, money was the biggest point of contention between my parents. Whether we were in the riches or the rags, it was constantly a topic of conversation in the household. So despite being outgoing and very extroverted and being a very people person and socially oriented, I picked to go into a profession that is the complete opposite because I felt that if I don't get my hands around money and finances and taxes and all the things that I felt my parents didn't have as much of a handle on, that I was going to be set up to be in the same issues and problems. So from a young age, I was fearful of money. I felt uneducated about money, and I felt that I didn't have the people in my life telling me what I needed to know. So I bought books, I read about it, I educated myself, I watched videos, but nothing did more for me than going to business school, having 4 years of that education, and then going into the world of a CPA, doing the work, doing the financial statements, preparing the tax returns, talking with the clients about their concerns, their needs, their questions about the work. So this is really what I want to give to you without you having to go to business school, become a CPA, work in the profession for 10 plus years, work those crazy hours, go through 15 tax seasons. You don't have to do all of what I did. This course is me taking all of that, packaging it up nice and pretty, and giving it to you in its most simplistic and accessible form.